To begin, obviously, open the box of the printer. The Pantum M6500 is a only black printer, no colors. It's a multifunction printer with scanner and Wi-Fi. Remove the plastic bag. In this video I will only make the USB installation. If you need the Wi-Fi installation, there is a link in the description of the video. In the box there is the printer, the instructions, the CD with the driver of the printer, the electrical cable, the USB cable. Remove this tape. Open the paper cassette. Open the cover. Remove this orange packaging. You can discard it. Remove the toner cartridge. Remove and discard the black sheet. Do not touch the drum, this green roller. Pull out the seal. Reinstall the cartridge. Close the cover. Insert the sheets in the paper cassette. Pull out the support of the printed sheets. Install the electrical cable. Insert the USB cable. Turn on the printer. The printer driver will be automatically installed in your printer. If not, use the CD or download it from the Pantum website. Now the printer is ready to print.